Hello. If you want to make a confettis, as you can see here, make your website unforgettable. Aaron Buquet created awesome software that you can use to improve your funnels even more. With Confetti page, you can add confetti animation to your SystemeIO pages. Perfect for thank you pages after downloads or purchase, and even celebrate your students' progress in courses. Make it pop, rain, or set up fireworks, all customizable to your website style. So why is Aurelian Amacker talking about this? Because Aaron Buquet is someone who has made money with SystemeIO, has been promoting it in the English world. So as a favor, as a thank you, Aurelian is making advertisement for this software of his. But Aaron Buquet is not using SystemeIO to make this website. Even the affiliate program of this website, because of course you have to pay to use it. So there is an affiliate program using Thrivecart, not SystemeIO. So this is kind of bad for SystemeIO that is not using. But anyway, as a thank you, he made this. Now in this video, I want to show you that you don't have to pay if you don't want. You can use it. So if you go on the website, you can add confetti to your page. So they ask you a website. Why? Because this confetti code will work only on a subdomain or domain name. They want to restrict it and they want you to pay. So they made all the system to block. So there is a way to use it for free. If you use it for free with this website, you can, but they will display an advertisement for this website at the bottom of your page. If you pay, you can remove this advertisement. So the way I will show you is with the free version. How you do it, you add a HTML code on your page and they give you a code. So this is the code, here just one line, and we will see what it does. Of course you can set it up, but what it does is this. Let's try again. Okay, it does some fireworks, or you can choose other things. This is the fireworks, not the video behind it. This is something else that I did. And you can see at the bottom here, you have animation by confettipage.com, and it's a link to Confetti page. So really, if you want to use it for free without this, in the code they give you, you just add this. It's a style, CSS style, and here you target the link to the confettipage.com website, and you say display none. So what he will do, he will not display the link. So just look at this, you can copy it after the code that they give you. So if you save and try it, you will see now we have the effect, we don't have the watermark, the advertisement. So you can use it like this. So you don't have to pay. But secondly, if you are more technical, you have to know that all this website, Confetti page, is using a free JavaScript library called tsParticles. And in particles, you can do many things, including the fireworks or confettis effect. So if you are willing to, to do the work yourself, it's not a lot of work. I mean, on the tsParticles library, you have a lot of examples to create confettis and other things. So the code is a bit longer, but it's the same. You copy and paste. You don't have to use confettipage.com. But if you want to use it, as you can see in the pricing here, they say free forever. You have an advertisement. If you pay $39, you can have five websites where you can put this code without the advertisement. Or if you pay $100, you can have 50. So it's up to you, but the free forever with the additional code, CSS code, that is just this one line, it removes the watermark and everything else works perfectly fine. So it's up to you what you want to do. Bye bye.